Hello, Grimm fans, and here in the Grimm household, our kitty cat's getting about tired of the self-isolation. Yes, he is. That's a little kitty kitty getting tired of self-isolation. What do you say, kitty kitty? Getting tired of self-isolation? 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 Say hi to say hi to your fans. Say hi to your fans, kitty kitty. Say hi to your fans. Hi to your fans, baby. Hi to your fans. Say hi to your fans. Where are you hiding from? Hi to your fans. Get some more views. People like to view the kitty kitty. People like to view the kitty kitty. Get my leg up here. Sit down here. Look at kitty kitty. Where you at, kitty kitty? What you doing? Come on, say hi, kitty kitty. Hey, where you going? Where you going, kitty kitty? Where you going? Whoa. See the face. See the face. Let me see the face, kitty. That's my little tweet. Fatty kitty kitty. Make him say something. Make him talk to the camera.
Hey, sir.
Talk to the camera. See what he says. See what he says. See what he says.
Gentle, Dad.
Gonna bite me, kitty kitty?
He is gonna bite you.
He always bites me. He likes to bite daddy. He's purring. Purring, kitty kitty. He's purring. Kitty kitty's
You're
purring.
crazy.
Wants to bite you, huh? Oh, hey, gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Attack kitty kitty back. Hey, he's gonna attack you, baby. Hey, look at attack kitty kitty.
Oh, trying to bite me.
Why you turn my light over there, baby? Light over there. Over there, baby. Light over there.
Wait.
No. Put a flashlight in his face. What are you doing?
I threw him a ball.
Okay, you did. He's looking around for the ball. Oh, you scared him off. You scared kitty kitty off. You scared kitty kitty off. Here's the ball. Here, watch out. Here, put him down. Kitty kitty likes the ball. What's going on, kitty kitty? Meow. Self-isolation, kitty kitty. You don't want to get coronavirus, do you now?
Hey, Finn. Go get it.
What's going on? You can't find it. What's he doing? Kitty kitty.
I'm done with this bit.
You're done.
Yeah, we're done.
You're done.
We're done. Are you like fascinated?
He's talking to you. Put him back up here, baby.
No. He doesn't want to be on up there. He literally
He's
got mad when he saw
What's to
you.
the much here?
The moment he saw you,
He got mad. Why turn the fireplace on for a kitty kitty?
No, turn off the video.
Okay.
So it's gonna be 30 minutes long.